back here through Carpenter, and Dunbar are going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for these young drivers. I believe they range from the ages of 7 to 12. So is Stephen Lusher's down on the backstretch early in that purple number 10 machine. Corbin Kincaid in that number 12. A little bit off pace here tonight as Stephen Lusher. We'll see what lap time he's going to get. White flag in the air this time by 23.055 for Stephen Lusher for the first lap, and Corbin Kincaid will be at 27.828. Corbin Kincaid with a 27.828 as Stephen Lusher is just blazing the track rate up. But he's got to be, and that thing is looking straight and smooth in the middle of 3 and 4. That setup is absolutely dialed in. Stephen Lusher's checkered flag lap, as he will go with a 23.055, 23.055. Stephen Lusher. Corbin Kincaid will go with a 27.828. Sport Mods, you were on deck. I repeat, Sport Mods, you were on deck. 5 laps of distance. This is their feature event of the evening. Now, I'll tell you, we've seen these mini All-Stars crash. We've seen them wreck. We've seen them flip over upside down, but they refuse to not quit. Last night, Corbin Kincaid went head first in that turn 4 wall, bounced off of it, and beat Stephen Lusher in that number 10 machine. So who knows what's going to happen with two mini All-Stars out here tonight, as our, well, I believe that's Keeley on the forklift, on the four-wheeler out there. So here we go, side by side, mano y mano. Who is going to be better? Can Kincaid get win number 2 tonight? Stephen Lusher right there in front of him. He's actually going to let him have the inside. Single file, nose to tail, and here we go. We're racing mini All-Stars. Let's see what type of racing action we're going to get. Will they put on a show for the fans tonight in such a big audience? As Lusher's up on the outside, Kincaid back to the bottom side of the speedway, down on the backstretch, and it looks like Lusher going to be able to pull away in turn 3 and 4. Corbin Kincaid fans going nuts as it's still Stephen Lusher. Can Kincaid, will Stephen Lusher leave up a little bit? He might be down to the front stretch. Problems for Stephen Lusher in the number 10. Corbin Kincaid on the inside. Big slider in turns 1 and 2 and takes the lead. Problems for the number 10 of Lusher. Not exactly what is going on with that car, but it looks like mechanical problems as Corbin Kincaid's able to work through the middle of 3 and 4. Oh, he don't have a guardrail to stop him this time. Oh, he almost lost it off of turn number 4. You know the old saying, loose is fast, and when it's out of control, I'll tell you what, Corbin Kincaid's running 27.209s, and something has come to miss at the number 10 of Stephen Lusher, and it looks like Lusher might be taking the hard right. Nope, he's good to go. He is still rolling on. American All-Star Series Heat Races, you are up deck. You are up next, just so you know. American All-Star Series Heat Races, you are on deck. As Corbin Kincaid is still running 27.029s, as Stephen Lusher may be having a problem as that car is continuing to go slower and slower. There might be a mechanical problem as Corbin Kincaid's going to be working the final time. Checkered flag will be in the air as Corbin Kincaid does a great job working his way through lap down traffic. Checkered flag for Corbin Kincaid. Stephen Lusher with a second place run here for your mini All-Stars, presented by VP Racing Fuels. Unfortunately, we won't be able to get a word from our winner of Corbin Kincaid, as unfortunately my wireless microphone does not reach. But congratulations to Corbin Kincaid as he's going to go over to the Mountain Motor Speedway victory lane in the turns 1 and 2.